Is your device broken? Water damage? Faulty battery? Anything else? No problem. At RepairLabs.com, we can fix it. iPods, tablets, smartphones, Macs, laptops, game consoles, and camcorders, we've got you covered. Simply choose your device and the service you need for it, then have it shipped to us. After we receive it, our professionally trained technicians will do a thorough inspection of the device to diagnose the problems. In case there's any additional problem, we will contact and inform you. We then repair your device and send it back to you using your choice of shipping, FedEx or USPS. At the end, you get to enjoy it like it was new again. You can rest assured that your device is in good hands with our trusted and certified technicians, not to mention our RepairLabs lifetime parts warranty. Secure shopping and ordering so you can shop with confidence. Contact us today at 1-888-755-1115, RepairLabs.com.